Hi students, in this section, let's learn how to find the square of any number in a very fast manner. We start with a method which can be used for numbers up to 99, and then we learn a technique which can be employed to find the square of any number very quickly. Alright, say let's start with 37 square. If you want to find this, the first step is mark out 3 places like this, and then let's find the square of the number in the units place. So over here you have 7. So 7 square is equal to 49. So let's place 9 over here and 4 gets carry forwarded. So we place only the units digit of the answer 9 over here and 4 gets carry forwarded. Alright. Now the second step is let's multiply 3 with 7 and 2. That's 3 into 7 into 2. That's equal to 42. So place this 2 over here and 4 gets carry forwarded. Now the last step is find 3 square. That's this number over here, 3 square. 3 into 3 is equal to 9, and you place 9 over here. Now to get your answer, just add the numbers. So 9 is 9 itself. 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. You have 6 over here, and 4 plus 9 is equal to 13. And this is your answer. 37 square is 1369. Alright, let's practice a bit. Say you want to do 59 square and 67 square. Alright, let's start with 59 square. The first step is mark out 3 places like this. Alright, now to identify what comes over here, do 9 square. 9 square is 81. So you write 1 over here and 8 gets carry forwarded. Now do 5 into 9 into 2, that's 90. So over here you put the 0 and 9 gets carry forwarded. Alright, now you are left with 5 over here. Do 5 square, that's 25. You write 25 over here, and to get your answer just add the numbers like this. So 1 is 1 itself, 8 plus 0 is 8, and 25 plus 9 is 34. Therefore 59 square is 3481. Alright. Let's do the next one, that's 67 square. The first step is mark out 3 places like this. 7 square is 49. So you write 9 over here and 4 gets carry forwarded. 6 into 7 into 2, that's 84. So you write 4 over here and 8 gets carry forwarded, and you are left with 6 square, that's 36. You write that over here. Now let's add the numbers. That's 9 itself over here. 4 plus 4 is 8. And 36 plus 8 is 44. Therefore 67 square is 4489. Hi students. Now that we know how to find squares up to 99, let's try to learn a technique which can be employed to find any square. Alright, to learn this technique, let's do 26 square. We already know one way of doing this. But before we take higher numbers like 227 square or these type of numbers, let's take a simple number to learn this technique. Alright, now say I want to find a square, right? I can write a square as a minus x into a plus x square, right? I can do this because a minus x into a plus x simplifies to a square minus x square, and if I add x square to it, I get back my a square, which I wanted to start with, right? So I get back a square. Now 26 square, I can write it as 26 plus 4 into 26 minus 4 plus 4 square, right? Over here I have subtracted x and added x. Over here I am adding 4 and subtracting 4, and I have to add x square, that's my 4 square over here. And the reason I have taken 4 is 26 plus 4 gives me 30. 30 is a number with a 0, and numbers with 0 are easy to multiply. Alright, now let's simplify this. This comes to 30 into 22 plus 16, which is 660 plus 16, and that's 676. Now 26 square is 676. Alright, now this is the detailed manner in which this technique is used. Now let's try to see how in the case of an actual problem we can quickly do it. So let me write that over here. So I'm doing 26 square. In my mind, I know that if I add 4 to 26, I'll get to 30, and 30 is a number that has 0, therefore it's easy to multiply. So in my mind, let me do 26 plus 4 into 26 minus 4, and I get that as 30 into 22. I write a bar and I have to do 4 square. I have to add 4 square. So I put 4 square over here. That's 1 6. All right. Now over here I have 1 0. Divide this with 10. And if I'm dividing with 10, I can keep one digit over here as it is, the rightmost digit. Now let me do the multiplication. I'm left with 3 over here. 3 into 22 is 66. Over here I can keep this 6 as it is over here, and the 1 over here gets carry forwarded. So this one gets carry forwarded. Now my answer is 6. 1 plus 6 is 7 and 6. So my answer is 676. Alright. Now let's employ this method to find out 109 square. Alright. That's a number greater than 99. So over here in my mind, I know that 100 is a number close to 109 and 100 has 2 zeros. It's easy to multiply with 100. So to get to 100, I have to subtract 9 from 109. So let me subtract and add 9. That gives me 100 into 118. Alright. Now I write a bar and I write 9 square. That's 81 over here. Now over here I have 2 zeros. Therefore I can divide with 100. And because I'm dividing with 100, I can keep these 2 digits, the last 2 digits over here as it is. Alright, now I'm left with 1 into 118, that's 118, and I keep 81 as it is because I can keep 2 digits as it is because I've divided with 100, and this is my answer. 109 square is 11881. Alright, now let's try to use this method to find 227 square. Let's practice a little bit more. I know if I subtract 27 from 227, I'll get to 200, and 200 is a number easy to multiply with. So let me subtract and add 27, and let me write a bar and I'll write 27 square. So I get 200 into 254 and I have a bar and I have to do 27 square over here. Now in this case 27 square, employ the method that we learned before. I know that it's a 3 places involved in the answer of this, right? 7 square is 49, so I write 9 over here. 4 gets carry forwarded. 2 into 7 is 14, into 2 is 28. 28 plus 4 is 32, so I write 2 over here and 3 gets carry forwarded, and then 2 square is 4. 4 plus 3 is 7. So 27 square is 729, and we use the previous method for it. So when we combine these two methods together, it becomes even faster. Now over here I have 2 zeros, right? Let me write this over here, 200 into 254, and with a bar I have 729. Over here I have 2 zeros, therefore I can keep the last 2 digits as it is. Alright, now let's do the multiplication. That's 2 into 254 will give me 508, right? And I can keep 29 as it is, and 7 gets carry forwarded, and that's the 7 over here. Now if I add the numbers, I get my answer as 51529, and that's your answer. Now let's quickly see why we can keep the last 2 digits as it is in case of having 2 zeros over here. So let me write that in a detailed manner over here. 227 square is equal to 227 minus 27 into 227 plus 27 plus 27 square. This is what we have seen in writing a square as a minus x into a plus x square. Right? Now 227 minus 27 is 200. 227 plus 27 is 254. So this simplifies. Alright. Now over here you can see if you do this multiplication, you get 50800, and you have to add 729 to it. So you can see because you have 2 zeros over here, these two numbers remain as it is in the answer. That's why you can keep the last 2 digits as it is in case you have 2 zeros over here.